So now we have understood how to start the WireMock standalone server and how to use different options to use the dynamic ports, right? So now one more important thing to note here is whenever you will start the server, these two directories will be created by default in the current directory. In the current directory, in the sense from where you will start the WireMock server, right? Just next to it, it will create these two directories. So this is the predefined structure and the name will remain the same, but there are other options available whenever you will start the server to change the path of these two directories, files and mappings. If required, you can change the path. The WireMock, you can ask WireMock to use these specific paths to look for mappings and files. Now let's understand what are mappings. So mappings are nothing. So the WireMock engine or the WireMock server at the back end, it works on the basis of mappings. So suppose in an API we have around 20 to 30 different operations, and you want to mock all those. Suppose we are mocking just one or two operations in that particular, suppose, customer API, then those will be placed in the mappings part, in the mappings directory. Whenever WireMock will receive a request, incoming request from the client, it will look into the mappings database to check if the particular mapping is available and that is matching all the condition or not. However, files are totally different. Files are nothing. These are just simple JSON files that are used. Suppose you are sending back the response and it is in a JSON format, and you don't want to mention the response in the mapping itself. You want to send the response as a file, alright? So you can simply create the file and place the response here. So it will simply pick up the file and file reference will be provided in the mapping. So I have created one of the mappings here to give you an overview how it looks like. So here, as you can see, this is the this is a mapping. So we'll simply understand this. This is the request. It is the incoming request that will be matched, how it will be matched, and this is the response that is defined, what response will be sent if incoming request matches this request, right? These all parameters we will be understanding in upcoming session. I'm just giving you a brief overview because whenever you will start WireMock, it will create these two directories, mappings and files, right? So by default both these directories will be empty, and whenever you will start the server, it will not override this. If those are already there, they will be if those directories are already there, there will be no impact. Those won't be like deleted or forcefully the files will be removed. Nothing like that will be there. WireMock will simply pick up the mappings from here whenever you will start it, and you can simply start using it, right? Unless you delete it forcefully, right? So let's move to our next session. Thank you.